In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a calendar invite in Gmail. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly organize events, meetings, and appointments with just a few clicks. Whether it's for work or personal plans, knowing how to efficiently handle your schedule is an invaluable skill. So, let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to open your Gmail account. If you're not already logged in, just go to the Gmail website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a grid-shaped icon, commonly referred to as the Google Apps icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing various Google Apps. You're going to want to find and click on the one labeled Calendar. This will redirect you to Google Calendar, where the magic happens. Now that you've accessed Google Calendar, it's time to create a new event. Look toward the top left section of your screen, where you'll see a large plus sign or a button that says Create. Click on it, and a new window or a side panel will appear, prompting you to fill out the details of your event. This step is crucial because it's where you organize all the essential details for your meeting or event. Start by giving your event a fitting title, something that clearly communicates the purpose or subject of the gathering. This helps recipients know exactly what to expect. Next, set the date and time for your event. Be considerate and double-check compatibility with your schedule and your invitees' schedules. The correct date and time keep everyone on the same page and ensure a conflict-free meeting. If your event spans multiple days or has varying times, make sure to adjust these settings. You can also set a location for your meeting, whether it's a physical meeting room or an online meeting link for virtual gatherings. This is especially helpful if people will be traveling or logging in from different devices or locations. Now comes the critical part: inviting guests. In the Add Guests field, you'll want to input the email addresses of everyone you intend to invite. Be certain to use the correct emails to avoid confusion or missed invitations. Google Calendar is integrated with Gmail, so it will automatically suggest contacts as you type. Once you've added everyone, look for options regarding guest permissions, such as allowing them to modify the event, invite others, or see the guest list. Adjust these permissions as needed to match your preferences. Don't forget, there's an option to add a personal touch by including a brief message or instructions in the description section. Here, you can lay out the agenda, include any necessary information, or simply send a friendly note. When everything looks good, hit the Save button or the Send button, depending on your interface. This action will send an email invitation to your guests' inboxes, and voila, you've just sent a calendar invite. There you have it, a simple, effective way to organize your time and keep everyone in the loop. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to utilize these skills regularly to enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.